Hello! Let's cook with me something new to me. It's pork lechon paksiw. For my chika today, since nararanasan ko ngang maging single mom for a time, kaya ang taas talaga ng respeto ko sa mga single mom. Raising and providing everything para sa kanilang anak. Imagine, hindi naman nila gusto yung ganong setup, pero lumalaban sila for their child. Being a single mom, you're not just only providing financial pati emotional, physical, lahat na ng aspect, basta yung support that they need. And also, you need have time for them to play and study. Maglalaan ka talaga ng oras to bond with your child. Everything, ikaw yun. Ikaw lahat. Amazed talaga how they manage their time and finances. Pero alam ko, lahat hindi madali. Kasi na-experience ko din siya sometimes Just keep on fighting lang. Know your priorities and make it as your inspiration. And remember, everything shall pass. A moment will come that you realize you have survived it all. That's it. Keep on fighting, single parent. God will always bless you. Thanks for watching. Bye!